Gas exchange in humans. So this is the nasal cavity, and these are the ribs right over here. This is the trachea, this is the lungs, this is the bronchus. So these are the ribs right here. Now the ribs are basically bone structures that protects internal organs such as the lungs. Then we have the diaphragm. So diaphragm is a sheet of connective tissue and muscles at the bottom of the thorax that helps change the volume of the thorax to allow inhalation and exhalation. Then we have the trachea. So trachea is a windpipe that connects the mouth and nose to the lungs. So bronchioles. Now these are the bronchioles or the bronchus right over here. Now these are large tubes branching off the trachea with one bronchus for each lung. So the bronchioles. Now the first there is bronchus and then it is divided into bronchioles. So bronchioles split to form smaller tubes called bronchioles in the lungs connected to alveoli. And then we have the small alveoli. Now alveoli is right over here. So these are tiny air sacs where gas exchange takes place.